Hi, welcome to SQL class. Today we are going to learn how to create a database in three ways. In the first one, we will see how to create a database with SQL query statement, and in the second part, we will see how to create it from the Object Explorer. In the third way, we will see how to create the database from the command prompt. To create the database from the command prompt, first we need to connect the SQL server to the command prompt. For that, when I open the SQL server, I will get the server name. So I am going to copy it and click on connect, and I'll just going to paste it here. Okay. Yeah. Now to create the database in the SQL Server Management Studio, I am going to click on new queries. So let me just expand the databases. For now, I don't have any databases which I created. So the command used to create a database is create database and the database name which you want to create. You can give any name you want. In our case, I am going to give the database name as QueryDB and click on execute. So as my command is correct, the command is completed successfully. If I have written some mistakes in the spelling or a wrong statement, I would get an error. So I couldn't see yet my database. So I'm going to just refresh once and expand the databases. I am able to see my database which I created using SQL query. Now, second one, to create database from the Object Explorer. So click on the database, right click it, click on new database, and you can write any name you want to give for the database. I am going to give object db and click OK. So my object db database via Object Explorer has been created. And the third one, to connect our SQL to command prompt. For this, we need to first write SQL cmd space hyphen capital S. In the command prompt, capital as S has different functionalities and small s has different functionalities. So that's why I am specifically mentioned to you to write capital S and space the server name which we copied. Click enter. If your command is correct, you are going to get 1 and greater than symbol. If you don't get this one, and you might get some errors if you write the command wrong or if your server name is wrong. In this case, everything is correct, so I am being displayed with 1 and greater than symbol. Now, this means that I have entered into the SQL server using command prompt. First, here it is already the master database, but here we just entered into SQL. So I need to use the master database. So command is use master. Click enter and type go and enter. So now I have entered into the master database. Here I have to create the database from the command prompt. So the statement is same, either it is from the SQL Server Management Studio or from the command prompt. I am going to give another name, create database command db. Okay, click enter, type go, and I got 1 and greater than symbol, which means the database has been created with the name command db. But I'm not getting any successful message as we got it here, right? So to check and confirm if my command db database is created or not, I go back to the SQL, refresh. I am not yet able to see. So refresh one more time and expand this one. Now I am able to see the command db. So these are the three ways creating the database in SQL. I hope this video is very informative for you. I will come up with more SQL videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.